Thank you for hanging out with Jade and Lynn. Welcome to my new Airbnb project located in Miami, Florida. This is going to be really, really fun. Now, this is the front entrance of the house. On the left is a nice sized window to bring in all of that natural lighting. Right beside that window is going to be a small kitchen, but it's going to look fabulous by the time I'm done with it, of course. And we don't have space for a dishwasher, but we do have spaces for the new stainless steel appliances. Right, that door right there leads to the other side of the house, so we're going to make sure we seal that out. That opening that you see there is the entrance to the front room, and over here is the living room. And then that back wall there that's not painted, we're going to do something fabulous on that wall. Now, I chose this beautiful soft gray wall, and as you can see, we have new subflooring because the floors are in horrible condition. And we're going to put new hard flooring, which is this porcelain gray and white tile that you're going to love, because it's going to keep the space looking airy and light, where we want to give the illusion that it's bigger. And I have just a trick to do that. You're just gonna have to be patient and wait to see it. Now, as we enter the front room, there's going to be a new door. There's no frame there because remember, we had to build that out. So as you walk in, you're going to notice that the walls are painted. It is beautiful tan color because I wanted to use all of the natural tones from the beach, which is the grays and the blues and the tans, and all the sandy colors and the water colors. So right there, we're gonna put a beautiful fan and lighting up there. And on that back wall, you notice there's no paint. It's only because I can't decide what I want to do, how high I want to go with the headboard. So that's still a deciding factor. So right there on that bare wall there, I'm gonna use a huge painting to put on there to bring in all the colors. And right there is a closet that we just built out. It wasn't there before. So we're going to make sure that we, have that looking beautiful. On that little niche that just we went by, we're going to have a table and a chair just for a nice good old cup of coffee. Now right there, that grill door, the iron door, that's going to be so gone. And right there, we're going to have drapes. And right there, that window there, it actually leads out to the pool area. But the door to get to the pool area, it will go through the bathroom, which you will see later on in a video. As we move into the house, to the left right there where there's no paint, that's going to be the kitchen. It's going to be a galley kitchen, but I'm going to do something fun with the island because we want to make sure we have ample space for for the guests to walk back and forth, and they're going to need prep space because we don't have a lot of prep area, so we're going to create that for them. As you walk in, I know you see the walls are looking disastrous, but listen, you got to stay tuned. Now, we put this beautiful blue on the wall, which once I turn the camera around, you'll be able to see. That back wall there is where the headboard's going to be, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be really big as well. Now, that window leads to the outside where it looks in from the front of the house, so we're going to make sure we use some beautiful push-up blinds and some draping to, just so the privacy of the guests that's going to be visiting. Now, that it's the blue. It is so pretty and so light, and that's going to be the only blue that I'm going to use in the room. And I'm going to use a huge amount of neutrals with tan and accents of silver and white to really keep it airy and light, and let the blue really be the color to really give it the pop. I didn't want to matchy, so I'm going to keep it real simple, but it's going to be amazing. So as you can see, the floors look rough, and we have that closet that we just built out. So that closet, we're going to have shelving in there and place to hang up your clothes. And we're going to also have a shelf there to put the decorative pillows on. And now we're going to enter into the bathroom. This is the bathroom at its worst right now. Well, it's going to get worse as you see more pictures. And that is where we're going to put the towels. This is actually down to the studs. We're going to have an amazing rain shower up top with a towel and a beautiful shower head. And as you see right here, this is where we literally destroyed the bathroom. Here's a photograph with our shaker style cabinet from my kitchen and bath line with the marble backsplash to make this kitchen fabulous. Here's a showstopper. This is our brass handle fixture with a detachable sprayer that's going to just bring some bling and drama to the space. It's going to be the talk of the town. Right here is a sneak peek of some of my global home decor pieces that I'm going to upload very soon. And right here is my beautiful design palette with the oranges and the blues. And right below is the cabinet, which is from my kitchen and bath line that I am going to put into this Airbnb with the quartz countertop. It's going to be simply amazing. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.